How to do your facial at home in 10 easy steps. For a relaxing atmosphere, light a candle and put in some music.
Say what you wanna say to me.
Start with a double cleanser. I'll be massaging a nourishing oil cleanser on the face and neck in upward strokes for 3 minutes to melt away makeup while still keeping the liquid barrier intact. Make sure to rinse off the oil-based cleanser thoroughly. Next, I'm gonna cleanse with the organic regenerating cleanser for deeper pore cleansing. I'm gonna wet my face and massage the product and wash it off. Now I'm gonna take the coconut facial scrub, which will gently buff and polish away dirt and dead skin cells. I'm massaging it with wet fingers and then I'll wash it off. Then I'm gonna use the turmeric skin polish, which I'll leave on for 10 minutes. This face mask polishes and resurfaces skin to promote healthy cell renewal. It also helps soften the appearance of inflammation, discoloration, pigmentation, and sun damage. Now I'm going to apply a layer of the rose facial mask, which helps to replenish and restore skin while moisturizing it. Now I'm going to saturate a cotton pad with the rose facial tonic and sweep over my face and neck. To moisturize the skin, I'm going to use the rose facial gel that contains essential ingredients to quench and soothe the skin. I'm using a gua sha to massage as an additional step, which helps enhance circulation and eliminate toxins from my face. The repeated strokes help stimulate blood flow, leaving that specific area radiant. Now I'm going to take the concentrated brightening serum, which helps target discoloration, dark spots, and dullness to restore a more youthful and bright even-toned look. The coffee eye balm helps smooth away any puffiness and get rid of dark circles. The last step is to apply the rose lip butter, which leaves the lips looking fuller, softer, and hydrated. My skin definitely feels more radiant, moisturized, and hydrated. All of these products are 100% free from GMO toxins, fillers, artificial colors, synthetic chemicals, and artificial fragrances. I hope you guys like this video.